Okay guys, going to be looking at gold this morning. I was off yesterday. I'm about to go into market now. Just need to do a couple of quid. I've actually just gone straight to market because I only want like a fiver or something. Just push this through. In fact, I hardly need much, to be honest. I only need 2 or 3 quid. What I want to do today is just get that to a round number of 30. So it's not a lot of money we're after. So I could even just set it there, just to the top of that, and be happy. Now the market itself is currently ranging this morning, as we can see, on the 5 minute. And it's holding above the 50% of this. Now what it is, there's the surge, it'll pull down, and then it seems to be holding above that to push that a little bit higher. Now its first point of contact is going to be this swing point. Now if I was being a bit brave, I could hold it to the next swing point, which is up here. But because it's the end of the month and I've done what I needed to do, which is hit the baseline, I just want to stop. But I do have a little bit of OCD when it comes to these sort of things, and I kind of want to just see that as 530. All right. Why? Because I'm going to clear it to 500 to start the new month with. Let me explain that. Just let this run in the background a second. I was off yesterday because I wasn't feeling too well yesterday. I'm still not too well today, in fairness. I'll touch on things like that in another video, maybe. I have done in the past. Sometimes you can just be out of sorts, and your best thing is just to not do anything. Just take a break. So I did. So this morning, what I'm setting up is, it's obviously the 31st. We're at 528.56. I've actually lowered this down now to 10% allowance per day. This is an allowance per day, but if I run a single trade, it'll be how far that moves. I'm currently running at 50p a position. I could do over leverage at 132, but it's telling me that I should really be around 50, so that's what I'm leaving it at. And what we are is this, and I am absolutely knackered this morning, so I can easily push that across. But I'm actually going long this morning. I'm looking to buy the market simply because it's holding above the fib lines. Now this may or may well be, that's it, we're done. So there's the morning surge. 413 is what we got out of this. Oops, sorry. So let me just pop that back up. So that's 413. That should have cracked it over. There you go, job's done. We are rocking. So this month is now over. 84 positions in total since the restart of this. But what I was actually doing with this was just getting it to a baseline. I'll be starting sort of thinking about how I do this on a singular trade again from tomorrow, or Monday rather, when we go back. Why? Because if I come over here, these are the rules. Because if you've been following the series, you'll see that I took quite a bit of money out of this. Just simply because of the comments. I mean, let's be honest. I mean, I'm getting a bit tired of some of the comments. Saying that what I did was a fluke. Well, it was a fluke from January through to May. That's a hell of a fluke to keep on going. So I took the money out and thought, right, okay, I'll start at 200 again just to prove it's not a fluke, and build it up to 500 as a baseline, then harvest the profits. Now what that means is I'm just going to use the 500 as a tool, and instead of building the account up, I'm going to start taking profits out as well as building the account up and putting it into a wallet, and then every time that wallet hits 250 quid, I'll withdraw. Why? Well, it's a sensible thing to do because some brokers have withdrawal limits. My main broker is like, you can't withdraw unless you're taking out £100 or you have to pay a subsistence fee. Other brokers just charge a nominal bank transfer fee, which is about $5 or about £4. It's not a lot of money. So I don't want to take 100 out and pay 4. I might as well just build it up to 200 and just take the transition fees or make certain it's over the withdrawn limit. So what I'll do is, now it's hit that 500 baseline, every week or every month, I'll take half the profit off, put it in the wallet, let the wallet build up in the background. As soon as it's 250, I'll draw it out and put it into Vanguard. What I've been doing with my prop, you see that. You see me I take £1,000 every month out of prop. Every month I take 1,000. Why? It's a nice round figure and it builds up that Vanguard. So keep an eye out for like that account update and you'll understand. But this itself, like I say, we're looking to match the web trader minimum position, which was 50p. So that's why it was accelerated, because I could have done it at 10p. And when I restarted, I said, right, I'm going to use the leverage, but not go over the max amount. So I knew what the max amount was. And that was basically what I was doing. So it was the minimum bid size, which was the 53 that you saw, and the leverage bid side, which was £1.32 or whatever it is. I can't go above that £1.32, but I really should be dealing with the minimum, which is what I was doing. As soon as I hit £500, I'll harvest the profit. Well, that's what we're doing. So sometime across the weekend, I'll be just taking that odd £32 out, leaving a straight £500 baseline to start with. And my next baseline will be 750. Once I've built that 250 up, then I'll make certain the account maintains 750, and that should give me a pay rise. I hope that kind of helps. But that's what I'm doing. That's the trade done. And like everything else, if you keep it simple, you're not greedy, you just get in, get out, ba-boom, ba-boom, you'll survive this job. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.